Raise it up. Na good. Rebound by number 4. To number 8. Ayan na. Snake Jones, number 4. Back to number 4. Number 4. Turn around. And there's a reason that traveling. Nangyari rin. Teka lang, mababa ata sa gilid. Good for to Andre. Shot, na good. Rebound by Papin. Papin, dinikit ang mukha. Steal. Kekel, shot! Yeah! Pwede na ilabas. Konto. Yari ka dyan, Jassy, may kwento yan. Still by Snake Jones. Here's now Snake Jones. Oh, nakangangay, oh. Malulok mo yung bola. Deming at the tree. Na good. Rebound by Jeboy. Jeboy. Here's now Jeboy, number 5. Clemente. Still by number 4. Here's now number 4. Valderrama. Valderrama. Drive. Basket. Nasa foul. Foul rep. Number 4. Second personal foul. Substitution. Keke, labas. Kaka, pasok. Papi, nasa loob. Bochi, nagbabatay. Bonus shot by number 4. Now good. Rebound by Andre. Back to number 4. Number 4 drive. There's a whistle. Foul number 5. Jeboy. First personal foul. Third team foul. White. Isa pa lang sa orange. Second shot. A good. Rebound by Jeboy. There's a whistle. Traveling.
Guys, bantayan mo yan, oh. Bantayan mo yan. Guys, Ken, baba!
There we go! Roy, slow coach. Slow coach.
Kaya mo siya. Ay, tamad tumakbo eh. Anong papasahan?
24 seconds at that. Timeout, pare. White. Timeout, white. Sounds. Anong kulay ba yan? Ayan, anong kulay yan?
Charles! Charles, Ken! Pumasok ka na! Nagagawin mo dyan!